Cooking is more than just a daily chore, it's an art, and every artist needs the right tools. This Cyrosa Stainless Steel Saucepan with glass lid, 2.0 Quart, is not just another piece of cookware, it's a game changer for home cooks and professional chefs alike. Imagine whipping up velvety sauces, perfectly simmered soups, or delicious one-pot meals with ease and precision. This saucepan is crafted to elevate your cooking experience, offering a blend of durability, functionality, and modern design. If you're tired of struggling with uneven heating, messy pouring, or flimsy cookware that doesn't last, the Cyrosa Saucepan is your solution. Its premium 1810 stainless steel construction ensures longevity, while the tri-ply base delivers consistent, efficient heat distribution. Plus, the built-in strainer lid and pour spouts make cooking and draining effortless, saving you time and hassle. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a busy parent looking for reliable cookware, this saucepan has something for everyone. Ready to transform your kitchen game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the perfect blend of style, quality, and performance. What makes the Cyrosa Stainless Steel Saucepan special? This saucepan isn't just another pot. It's a thoughtfully designed cooking companion. Let's dive into the features that make it exceptional. Superior stainless steel build. Crafted from 1810 stainless steel, the Cyrosa saucepan is built to last. The heavy-duty construction ensures durability, while the polished finish keeps it looking elegant. Durability withstands daily use without scratches or dents. Safety. Food-grade materials ensure no harmful substances leach into your food. Tri-ply base for even heating. The saucepan features a 3-ply encapsulated bottom that distributes heat evenly, preventing hot spots. The aluminum core ensures quick heating, reducing cooking time and energy consumption. Consistent results. Perfectly cooked sauces, soups, and more. Efficiency. Requires only low to medium heat for optimal performance. Convenient measurement markings. The interior of the saucepan includes precise measurement markings, making it easy to measure ingredients directly in the pot. Time saving. No need for separate measuring cups. Accurate cooking, ideal for recipes requiring precise measurements. Strainer lid with pour spouts. The glass lid is not just for aesthetics, it's a functional addition. With built-in strainer holes and dual pour spouts, this saucepan ensures mess-free pouring. 2 strainer sizes. Choose the right size for draining small or large ingredients. Easy pouring. No spills, no mess. Ergonomic stay cool handle. The handle of this saucepan is designed for comfort and safety. It stays cool even during prolonged cooking sessions, and its ergonomic design ensures a firm grip. Oven safe. Can withstand oven temperatures, making it versatile for various cooking methods. Riveted for strength. Ensures the handle stays securely attached. Induction-compatible cookware. The Cyrosa saucepan works on all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and halogen. Unlike other cookware, it doesn't scratch or damage induction surfaces. Versatility. One saucepan for all your cooking needs. Kitchen-friendly, compatible with modern and traditional setups. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with this saucepan. Its stainless steel surface is resistant to grease and stains, and it's fully dishwasher-safe. Low maintenance. No need for special cleaning techniques. Time saving. Spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. Perfect for every occasion. Whether you're preparing a holiday feast or a quick weekday meal, this saucepan is up to the task. It also makes a fantastic gift for housewarmings, weddings, or any special occasion. Durability. Built to withstand years of use. Functionality. Measurement markings, pour spouts, and strainer lid add convenience. Eco-friendly. Made with safe, high-quality materials. Versatile use. Suitable for all stovetops and oven-safe. Why you should choose the Cyrosa saucepan? 1. Exceptional build quality. Designed to last for decades. 2. User-friendly features. Makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. 3. Value for money. Combines premium features with an affordable price. 4. Satisfaction guaranteed. Comes with a 1-year warranty and an option for a lifetime warranty upon registration. Conclusion. This Cyrosa stainless steel saucepan with glass lid is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. With its superior build quality, innovative features, and user-friendly design, it's more than just a saucepan, it's a kitchen essential. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.